when you try to sneeze with your eyes open to the table. Like,
Good job.
no, but then you put your eyes just go across like fuck right now. Like, you were talking about that, you literally died. You really sneeze from your mouth though. You gotta say, wait, I'll be the camera call all of it. I ain't ever sneezed and coughed at the same time. Like, you be like, what? Yeah, it's better. Nah, real shit, that's how I do have it. And you sneeze from right here. I'll be the stupidest spot. That shit didn't be the sneeze. I hate driving. So I'm just like, I'm like, no, we dying. My So you telling me if I'm in a car with y'all and y'all not gonna be smart, just push the brakes. Y'all just gonna walk your brake while you still on the gas. And then just three. So time out. How big is this here? That's a big ass butt. I didn't do it. I'm gonna be like I'll sit. Hey, you know who y'all really saw like when y'all sneezed? Kevin Hart joke. When he was like, what was that? Just sneeze. See, that's it, man. I was talking about skating yesterday, right? And Bernie was talking about... Time out. Wait.